So you want to live the van life but have no idea where to start? This can be one of the most challenging parts of living in a van because you want to make sure you pick the right one. Trust me, I get it. It was hard. It took me forever to pick the Chevy Astro van. To help you out, I put together a free van life starter kit that has specs on vans and even information about how to make money on the road and how to find free campsites. Just head to this video's description and go to that link and you can download that starter kit. I'm going to show you some examples of some of the best vans for van life. Panel vans are really popular for van life, like the Mercedes Sprinter, the Ford Transit, and the Dodge ProMaster. The Sprinter is the only one you can get with a true four-wheel drive and is the most expensive of the bunch, although the Ford Transit came out with an all-wheel drive in 2020. People love the Dodge ProMaster because it's the most affordable van and you can sleep across the width, which gives you even more living space. These are the vans where you can most easily add a bathroom if that's important to you. Small cargo vans are a great pick if you're looking for a van for a couple of people. They're pretty small though, so if a bathroom is a deal breaker, that's not the best van to add to your list. A few small cargo vans include the Ford Transit Connect, the Mercedes Metris, and the Nissan NV200. Old conversion vans are a great budget option, which is what I have, the Chevy Astro. Conversion vans were popular in the 80s and 90s. They were more luxurious inside with wood paneling and an added foot or two more of headroom with a raised fiberglass roof. Now, minivans are also a great smaller van to consider. The Toyota Sienna comes in all-wheel drive, which is cool for going off-grid. You can also look at the Chrysler Town & Country or the Chevy Astro van. Now there's also the pop-top vans, that's the iconic VW Westfalia type vans, but keep in mind that those vans are pretty overpriced and I've read a lot of complaints about how much they break down and they're horrible at handling hills. Well, I hope this video helped you learn more about what goes into picking the right van for van life. If you want to watch another cool video about choosing a van, check out this one. It's about the 6 small vans for van life. Remember to take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you want more information about living on the road, picking a van, camper van conversions. Just sign up over there. Also, I'll put a link to my blog post with more information about the 13 best vans to live in. You can find that in the description. Thanks for watching.